Can better tools really give us a better world? In 1968, Stuart Brand founded the Whole Earth Catalog in response to the Back to the Earth movement. Whole Earth Catalog was a platform for doing, much more so than selling. It provided knowledge as a tool for bettering life and provided the instructions for acquiring and using these life-bettering tools. It aimed to empower users to learn something new and to learn it from friends, from neighbors, even from strangers, completely regardless of geographical distance. And from this, a community was formed. Users wrote into the publishers and responded to articles in the catalog. And from the same makers of the catalog, then came The Well, which would eventually become home to the first official internet-based community. In 1984, Stephen Levy wrote Hackers, Heroes of the Computer Revolution, where he laid out the hacker ethic. Access to computers should be unlimited and total. All information should be free. Mistrust authority and promote decentralization. Use computers to create art and beauty. And computers can change your life for the better. In 2013, we still aim to achieve these same ethics in our quest to improve the world. Unlimited and total access. From kindergarten through college, most U.S. students will have access to a computer, and thanks to companies like Redem Tech, who specialize in refurbishing and redistributing prematurely tossed out computers, those who typically wouldn't have had the means to purchase computers are gaining access as well. For free information, we have libraries that provide free access to literature and computers, and can now provide online access to archives and other resources. Not to mention that Wi-Fi comes pretty standard for most restaurants, coffee shops, and even on public transportation in some cities. Mistrusting authority, we can do that. Have you heard of this thing called social media? It commanded the Occupy movement, helped spread news of the Westboro Baptist Church protests, and of course unites anti-WCC protesters as well. Creating art and beauty on a computer is as easy as using Photoshop to edit a picture, Paint to create a picture, Eclipse to create code, MS Word for writing words, and SQL in case databases are your thing. If you can imagine it, chances are somewhere online there's software that will help you to achieve it, and it's probably free. Computers can change your life for the better. Mobile devices are moving us toward universal access, and social networks connect people instantly, regardless of geographic disparity. Our achievement is imperfect, and we've got endless room for improvement, but the important thing is that we continue to achieve. A better life is waiting, and people are hungry for it. Stuart Brand said, "It's no use trying to change human nature. It's been the same way for a long time. If you want change, go after the tools. New tools make new practices, and better tools make better practices." So, why all this focus on tools? Well, because access to tools is access to innovation, and global access equals global innovation.